Alright guys, we're actually next door today at a neighbor's house. I came over here, I heard a guy outside the window cutting the grass, and I thought it looked kind of familiar. I think that's the guy I used to Uber with. He bought the house, so I was like, oh cool. He's like, he's renovating the space. He was looking at the cabinets. He's like, yo, I think these cabinets in the kitchen could use a coat of paint instead of me actually buying new cabinets. So I was like, I can sand them. I can help you with that. We can do it. So we walked around, and I mean, these cabinets are pretty old. You see, I got a little setup out here, been working on just getting all the cabinets sanded down. Here's one that I haven't touched yet. At first we thought these were actually solid wood cabinets, but they are not. They are just have a laminate wood on top of them. But as soon as you get about a 32nd of an inch into it, then the MDF starts to show up. Then we're going to use a sponge sander to get in these grooves right here, because obviously trying to get in here with trying to pressure, and it should conform to these grooves, and hopefully that'll do the trick on those. So in the kitchen, we've got a full set of cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling. These are built-in cabinets. I'm assuming they've been here probably before I was born. We're gonna see if we can bring this thing back to life. It looks like they actually use solid wood to put this together. So that's great, because we can actually sand that down. We'll be sanding down the face of these. With the shells, we'll probably just clean them off real good, and we're gonna use the sprayer to coat them with a good coat of paint. So we still got some cabinet doors to sand. We'll obviously paint those if you want some painted, but we'll need to take off the handles on these drawers and see how those are going to turn out. Alright guys, welcome back. Today is day 2 of the cabinet restoration that we're doing. This half of the cabinets I've already sanded down to 220 grit to get them ready for paint. Not really concerned about the inside walls and stuff of that nature. I'm just really trying to get this sanded down so they can cover it and do the ceiling. I'm gonna do the same thing here. Get all the stains sanded down, get it from 80 to 120 to 220 and get it ready for paint. Let's get into it. guys, I want to just say thanks for watching, and tune in to the next video where I'll show you how we'll take our old hinges where the holes were here and they were installed. We had 3 little holes, and we're going to take it to a hinge look like this for the new type of hinges, the self-close hinges. I'll show you how to use the Craig jig here to make these holes and get a perfect fit every time on your self-closing hinges. So thanks for watching. I've been Chris Hooks, and yes, I did that.